got to the marsh at 2:45. 8 other rigs and we're in the lead. Been scouting that hole for about 2 weeks. I know right where I'm going, time to make 'em bleed. Gonna wait till they drop from the heavens just right. Me and my buddies and my dog at my side. I love living life with my eyes to the sky. With my eyes to the sky. That mossy old duck blind blends right in by the time they see it. It's a sin, shoot where they're going, not where they've been. I got 12 ducks with that green paint job, 6 more circling right on top. I love living life with my eyes to the sky. When the day is done, we'll wait for the sun, and when it comes, we'll load our guns and live our lives with our eyes to the sky. With my eyes to the sky. I got my finger on the trigger, shells in the gun. Flip off the safety, let's have some fun. Send the dog man, watch her run. As steamer rolling from the top of the blind, fresh duck cut up, tastes just right. I love living life with my eyes to the sky. When the day is done, we'll wait for the sun, and when it comes, we'll load our guns and live our lives with our eyes to the sky. I said when the day is done, we'll wait for the sun, and when it comes, we'll load our guns and live our lives with our eyes to the sky. With my eyes to the sky. Marsh at 9:30. 8 other rigs still wasting their time. Boatload of green shining in the sunshine, with tomorrow morning weighing on my mind.